Welcome to Budgeting Bridges, your gateway to mastering the art of trading. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the world of trading, covering key concepts, strategies, and essential considerations. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, this video will provide valuable insights to enhance your trading journey. Let's begin by laying a strong foundation for your trading knowledge. In the world of trading, financial assets are your tools. We'll explore various asset classes, including stocks, currencies, commodities, bonds, and derivatives, and understand their unique features. Trading isn't a solo endeavor. Discover the diverse cast of characters in the trading world, from retail traders to institutional investors and market makers. Trading instruments are the vehicles that drive the markets. Get to know the most common instruments, such as stocks, currency pairs, futures contracts, options, and ETFs. Trading isn't a one-size-fits-all concept. It takes place across various markets, each with its own nuances. The stock market, where company shares change hands, is a primary trading arena. We'll demystify the essentials of stock trading. Dive into the foreign exchange market, Forex, where currencies are bought and sold. Learn about major currency pairs, trading hours, and strategies. Commodities are the lifeblood of the global economy. Explore the commodities market, which includes gold, oil, agricultural products. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are reshaping finance. Understand the world of digital assets, its opportunities, and challenges. Bonds, a vital component of financial markets, offer stability. We'll shed light on bond trading and its significance. No trader goes into battle without a strategy. Discover a range of trading strategies that can suit your goals and risk tolerance. Day trading involves quick decisions and fast-paced action. Learn how day traders seize opportunities within a single trading day. Swing traders take a longer view, holding positions for days or weeks. Explore the strategies that make swing trading effective. Position trading requires a long-term perspective. We'll discuss the fundamentals of this patient approach. Scalping is all about rapid, small gains. Understand how scalpers operate and the tools they use. Trading isn't just about profits, it's about managing risk. Discover essential risk management techniques to protect your capital. Implement stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and protect your investments. Find out how position sizing ensures you allocate your capital wisely and avoid overexposure. Diversify your portfolio across assets to spread risk and optimize returns. To make informed trading decisions, you need to analyze the markets. We'll delve into two fundamental approaches, technical and fundamental analysis. Explore the world of charts, patterns, and indicators. Technical analysis helps you predict future price movements based on historical data. Understand the factors driving asset prices, from economic indicators to company financials. Fundamental analysis provides a deeper understanding of market movements. A trading plan is your roadmap to success. We'll guide you through the process of creating a personalized plan that aligns with your goals. Define your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon to shape your trading strategy. Financial goals, risk tolerance, time horizon. Learn to pinpoint entry and exit points, ensuring you enter and exit trades with precision. Incorporate risk management techniques into your plan to protect your capital. Emotions can be a trader's greatest ally or worst enemy. Discover strategies to manage stress, anxiety, and greed while trading. Develop emotional resilience to make rational decisions, even in volatile markets. Avoid common psychological traps that can hinder your trading success. Explore the tools and platforms available to traders, from charting software to trading apps. Discover the features and benefits of charting software for technical analysis. Stay connected to the markets with mobile trading apps that offer flexibility and convenience. Learn from the experiences of real traders who have navigated the markets successfully. These case studies provide valuable insights into practical trading scenarios. Follow the story of a novice trader as they take their first steps into the world of trading. Explore the strategies and mindset of an experienced swing trader who consistently profits from market swings. As we conclude this comprehensive guide, you're equipped with the knowledge and tools needed to embark on your trading journey. Remember that trading is both an art and a science, and continuous learning is key to success. Discover additional resources, courses, and communities to further enhance your trading skills. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Happy trading, and may your financial goals become a reality.